How to add a Google Routines widget and shortcut to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold on an empty spot. Next, tap on Widgets at the bottom. In here, we then scroll down and tap on Google. After that, go down and then drag the Routines widget and place it on the home screen like that. Now, if you tap on the widget, this will open up Google Routines. In here, you can then go through your routine list and you can activate or deactivate a routine. So if you don't want to use a certain routine, you can turn it off or switch it on. You can also customize your routines by adding in or removing an action. And after that, you can tap on the Save button to save the changes. Now at the top, if you want to add the routines shortcut, you can do that by tapping on this button here at the top, and you can add it to the home screen. Tap on Add, and that will be added to the home screen, like so, up here. So you can use the shortcut, or you can use the widget. And here we can go into the bedtime widget. You can duplicate the routines by tapping on that copy button. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.